Hello students, welcome to the Sapna's Homeschooling YouTube channel, and today we are going to write poetic appreciation, and poem is You Start Dying Slowly. This is your third poem in the 10th standard English textbook. Title आहे You Start Dying Slowly. Poets आहे Pablo, Neruda. Rhyme scheme आहे. There is no rhyme scheme in the poem. It is written in free verse style without regular stanza, division or meter. जेव्हा कुठलंही राइम स्कीम पोएट मध्ये नसतं तेव्हा त्याला काय फ्री वर्स असं म्हणतात. फिगर ऑफ स्पीच आहे एपिस्टॉपी आणि रिपिटेशन आणि अँटिथेसिस. थीम किंवा सेंट्रल आयडिया कवितेची आहे. द थीम ऑफ द पोएम can be considered thus: life must flow and renew itself at every moment of its being. We live fully only when we enrich ourselves with new knowledge and wide experience, fresh emotions, daring encounters, and exciting challenges. If we settle for a life that is stagnant, repetitive or conventional, we start dying slowly instead of living the life fully. This is your poetic appreciation. If you like this video, please like it, share to your friends and subscribe to this channel.